Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to use the Love Spells app in 2026 so you can explore its features and get started easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To use the Love Spells app, first you must download the app, and after downloading the app is going to sign in, whether it is your email in Gmail or your Apple email. And after signing in, you must enter your birthday and your nickname as well as your gender. And after all of those, once that you're inside the app, it would recommend that you would give access it to your Bluetooth, and after that you can just simply go and add the device and scan whichever QR code you have in the back of the packaging or the product itself. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.